Hello, so do you want to know how to automate your cryptocurrency trading in 3 simple steps? Let's head over to the computer and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, this is John. Just wanted to show you quickly inside my Cryptohopper account. So this is a cryptocurrency automated trading bot. And there is 1,000,001 ways in which you can set this up. However, the way I've set it up is using one of the basic settings. It's actually the Binance hopper. So I've linked this up to my Binance account, and I've put my coins that I want it to trade. I'll show you the ones that I'm using. And then I'll show you the results. And so far, it's been really good. So if you go into the coins and amount, so here's what I'm trading. Obviously available, there's pretty much anything that you can do on Binance, you can trade. However, I've gone for some quite high liquidity coins, fairly popular ones. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellatron, Ethercoin, Chainlink, Monero, Dash, Nano, OMG, Theta, and GRT Graph, I think that is. So they're the coins I'm choosing. Now I'm just buying in at 5%. So 5% of my total pot is what it will choose to do a trade with. Okay? So no more than currently $19 per trade. Now obviously that's gone up since I put it in, because it will. This is the whole point of it, is compounding. The base currency is US dollar Tether, which is a 1-to-1 coin on Binance that runs alongside the US dollar. So basically, as soon as it completes its trade, it will sell it back to that base currency. Okay. So I'll show you what's my overall stats are at the moment, and I'm quite surprised. So current returns is $48.71. That's from about 2 weeks I've been doing it. So as you can see, it was 29th of January. So I started doing it on the 29th of January, which, if you can see, is just over a week. That's not right. I think it was the 22nd. I don't know why that's... I'm wondering if it's more than that. Let's do 22nd to now. Yeah, that's... Yeah, there's where I joined. Okay, so 22nd is where I joined. So from the 22nd to now, you can ignore these 2 big spikes, because that is where I actually bought. I put an extra $20 in both times. But overall, it's going really well. So the average profit is just 1.38. So we're not going for massive returns. The idea is that you just, little and often is the strategy. So I can show you the trade history, and then you can get an idea of the sort of hit rate, if you like. So these are all the latest ones. You can see there, look, this is today, 5th of the 2nd. So it closed a few this morning. It closed some Dash at 1:20. I didn't do anything, it just done it all automatically. 1.3% profit. Again, some ETC 1.3, Theta 1.3. And then if you just look down, obviously the buys is not going to have a result next to it because it's just bought it. But that there is a complete trade. Look, it done it and that was sort of 25 minutes. Okay, so it bought it there, look, you can see 11:52 p.m. and then sold with profit at 12:25 a.m. So sort of half an hour later, it managed to flip that one and sell it. So if you just look at all the sales and then look at the profit on the right hand side, and I'll just scroll down and you can just see this, how good this is. So it's just all green. I mean, I've not had one that's lost. And it's running at, it's been running like this for a month. Okay, I will say there is one here which was a 10% loss. However, I should point out, this was not one on the bot. This was at a time when XRP went mad last week. It shot right up because of all the GameStop lot, they were pushing it. And then there was a huge sell-off. So it tried to buy, obviously based on its triggers on the dip, and then it just went plummeted all the way down. So I stopped this. This was me. I stopped it because it might have went lower. So this wasn't the app. Sorry, not the app. This wasn't the bot. This was me, and you can see there it's done via the app. Yeah, all the other ones you can see is profit strategy, strategy, strategy. So ignore that one because that was a blip on my behalf. But these are all the ones that's the bot, and it's working really well. So you set it wherever you want. You can obviously go for a higher percent return if you want to do that. You can obviously choose completely different coins if you want to do that. However, if you want to have a look at this and, you know, maybe set it up using my exact setup, then I don't know, maybe drop a comment in or send me a DM or something, and we can go through it and I can help you get set up. You will need a Binance account. Oh, this is the way I've done it. So this is the Binance account, and then the hoppers in this. So this is totally separate. None of your money's held in here. This is just your bot. All your money is held in your Binance wallet, which you can, you know, you can use other wallets, but obviously I don't know whether this hopper's going to work with Binance. Actually, I'll just pause the video and log in to my Binance and show you. So here we are inside Binance now. There, as you can see, is the total value of the pot. And you can have a look at the trades, which if I go to trade history, so here if you look in trade history, you can see all of these trades, look, are the same ones that we got on here. So for example, this dash one at 1:22 a.m. It's same-ish, okay, it's 1:19, but and there it is. So for 1:12.75, and there's that at 1:12.75. So that just shows you it's all running. So these are all in there, and that's basically it. So if you want any more info on this, I might put a little something together. Now, this bot costs $19 a month, which if you think about the potential, I mean, I only started with a couple of $100, just because it was a bit of a test, really. So I started with a couple $200, and you can see now what my account's up at. Bearing in mind, I will say I did add another 40 in, 40 or 60, I think. There might have been a bit more than that, but anyway, it's gone up a fair bit. And the thing with this is, even if you're only doing 10%, 20% a month, it's all on autopilot. You can see that here's the average holding times of coins. Doge 8 minutes, GRT 20 minutes. Some of them take a long time. Some of them have been going on, that on dot, 4 days. You know, and I remember when that held that and it went down to -8%. And I remember thinking, oh God, it's never going to, come back. But it does. And one quick thing I'll just quickly show you. There's a back testing app here, which is really, really good. If you want to check out what a coin's history was like, I'll set one up and then I'll just show you. So you pick a coin at the top. Let's say you're going to do Theta coin, for example. You can put your profit in. So on mine is 1.23. And then select a period. Let's just say they're doing the last 2 weeks. Okay. And then we're going to run the back test. I'll run it and then I'll pause the video because this takes about 5 minutes. Okay. So you see it's just got the graph. It's just going to plot what it would have done as a bot. Okay. And then it will tell you the results. So I'm just going to pause it and then I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so here we go. So it's completed the back test. And then it's come out it shows you all the trades it would have done, okay, based on your settings. So it would have done 57 successful sales. It was 100%, wouldn't have lost anything. And that would have given you a profit of 10%. And remember, this is completely on autopilot. So you don't have to do anything. You set this up, literally, I check it a couple of times a day to make sure it's running, and that's it, and just leave it. There's an app as well you can get on the phone, which gives you notifications of when it does buy and sells. But again, you just leave it. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. This could all go south, as they say. But at the moment, it's quite a nice little thing. It's working quite well. So let me know if you want any more info on it. And I'll be happy to help out. It's quite a bit fiddly to get it all running. There is a few little things you need to do. There's some configurations and stuff. And I can put together a little PDF or something, or maybe some more videos. And we can go through it. Yeah, because I have heard some stories of people losing a fair bit, that isn't set. You can get all your chart access as well on this. So anyway, if you wanted to go into more detail, you can. But I don't. I just keep it simple. So like I say, for me, it's a nice little, passive. You don't have to do anything. Set it up and then leave it. And as you can see there, that's quite a nice growth for a few weeks. So yeah. Okay. That's it for today. Let me know if you need anything with this. And we can get set up. Like I say, it's $19 a month. That's what I'm paying at the moment. But you more than make that back. And then obviously whatever you want to invest, you just need to put that in your Binance exchange. Alright, take it easy. So there you go. So if you want to get the exact same setup that I'm using, the one that's making between 10 and 15% each week, then you can grab the PDF. I've put it all together. It's literally just copy the exact settings that I've got. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do this. But if you wanted to copy mine, then go ahead. You can grab the PDF below. But again, I must stress, these things can go up and down. So, it is totally your call. But anyway, if you want to grab that, check out the link below. Thanks very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.